Hey guys, let's talk about the Ring Chime Pro now working with the doorbell with an indoor camera. As you can see, I have a Ring indoor camera here and I also have a doorbell. I can see here from my cell phone. But basically, if it's not working, when you ring your doorbell, for example, there's no sound here. You just need to come to your cell phone to fix it, okay? So here, let me just show what I mean. So basically, let me just get some focus here. There we go. And you come here, you see different doorbells that I have. And here, when you come to this menu, you can just select devices and you can find your hallway. That's my Ring Chime Pro, right? When I select here, I can see that I have this audio settings and here chime alerts, right? So here I can find my front doorbell camera and my upstairs camera. That's the one that I have just right here, okay? This indoor camera. So for the doorbell, I have the option to select here when somebody rings or when there's motion, okay? And for this indoor camera, just for motion. So let me just show an example here. When I move something in front of this camera, it's gonna...
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
So it's gonna get an alarm here and the camera speaks and this one chimes, okay? That's because I have this option enabled here. If you don't, it's not gonna work. So just check this option here for your Chime Pro, if it's enabled or not. Then you can enable for ringing and also for motion detection. So it's easy like this, right? So it works with an indoor camera and also with the doorbell. So that's the way you can fix your Ring Chime Pro not working with the sound and not working with your doorbells, right? I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.